BESTOP, a professional manufacturer with design ability, specializing in electric actuators and providing high-quality, reliable solutions. Our electric actuator control box has 4 slots on the back. The cables of the electric actuators are marked with corresponding colors and should be inserted into the matching slots accordingly. With a simple press and hold of the button, the electric actuators smoothly extend and retract, adjusting the bed height to suit various nursing needs. The BESTOP electric actuator features a silent motor for smooth and quiet operation, ensuring that nighttime adjustments do not disturb the patient's rest. Pressing this button causes the 2 electric actuators to extend synchronously, raising both the backrest and the leg section of the medical bed. Next to this button is another one, which causes the 2 electric actuators to retract, lowering the height of the medical bed's backrest and leg section. By holding down this button, the 2 350mm stroke electric actuators slowly extend and raise the medical bed to the desired height. When pressed, these 2 buttons tilt the medical bed left or right, allowing the patient to adjust to a comfortable angle. Now, we will install the BESTOP electric actuator on a medical bed and demonstrate it in action. BESTOP linear actuators and controllers. These high-performance actuators work together seamlessly to ensure smooth and reliable movement. Whether in the ICU or home care environment, the BESTOP linear actuator provides the flexibility and reliability needed for ICUs and hospital beds to meet a wide range of patient requirements. Our medical bed electric actuator supports 12 volts, 24 volts voltage, with a maximum thrust of 6 Ohm for smooth operation and strong load capacity, meeting the needs of hospitals and care facilities. Compared to our competitors, our electric actuators last longer, deliver greater thrust, offer better pricing, and support OEM customization to meet the diverse needs of medical devices. Our electric actuators are built with high-strength alloys and precision gears for a lifespan of up to 30,000 cycles. With overload protection, limit switches, and emergency manual release, they ensure safe, reliable operation. The plug-and-play design supports multiple control options: manual, foot pedal, wireless, making installation easy and adaptable to various medical devices. Welcome to visit our electric actuator website, which will surprise you.